Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaina and today I am going to discuss with you some tips regarding speaking module, and these secret tips will definitely help you to boost your scores. So let's begin. As everybody knows that speaking module is divided into three parts. First is introductory, second is cue card, and third is follow-up. Introductory questions is basically dependent on your introduction, likes, habits, attitude and your thinking. Second one is cue card. For cue card, examiner will give you 1 minute for preparation and 2 minutes for speaking, and this plays vital role in your bands because the whole game is depend upon your cue card. You have to elaborate your thoughts and continuously speak for 2 minutes on a single topic. So for that part, that will give you the best scores if you elaborate your thinking and thoughts beautifully and manageable form. And the third one is follow up. In these type of questions, the examiner will ask you the question related to the cue card and some other topics. Basically, they want to know about your fluency, your thoughts, and your elaboration part. How beautifully you elaborate and manage your content by giving the answer in a proper manner. Here are some examples related to that. My very first question is, what kind of toys are popular in your country? The best way to deliver your answer is to break your answer into multiple sections so that you can easily elaborate it, and in my opinion, never stick with a single thought. Always give diplomatic answer. Here is the example. You can categorize into multiple sections like 1 to 3 age group, like moment games, cartoon picture books. 3 to 5 is categorized with puppets, storybooks, board games. 6 to 9 age group like bicycle, books. 9 to 12 age group like sports equipments. And you can also say that it depends upon the age and gender, like small kids like remote cars, action pictures from films and cartoons. Girls want to create a fancy world by playing Barbie dolls and cartoon characters. I want to give you the suggestion, never say that the moment games, board games, bicycle, books, sport equipments are popular in my country. It will give you just one sentence in the reply, and Ielts will not recommend you to give just one line of answer. That will give bad impression on the examiner that you are not able to elaborate your answer. So it's best way to deliver the diplomatic answer. And my next question is, why do people avoid certain colors such as red, for example? So you can say that every person have their own choices and preferences. Some prefer bright colors and other prefer light colors. The second reason is these type of bright colors are not soothing to eyes, especially in job profiles, so not adapted. And some opine that these type of colors produce heat, so not preference summer seasons. Last but not the least, red color represent as a danger sign like red alert, red light, red flag. Error symbol is also in red color. And in my suggestion, don't use yes or no in any answer because that gives you the direct answer. So always choose the middle one so that you can easily elaborate it. If you say that in any answer, say yes, then they will ask you about uh, more questions related to that yes answer, and if you say that the no, that will also produce couple of questions. So it's better to choose the middle one so that the examiner may not ask you any further questions related to that particular topic. My next question is from follow-up questions. What is more important, a personal achievement or a victory of a team as a whole? So it's the best way to start your answer from in my opinion. It would always work. So you can say that in my opinion, personal achievement plays significant role in one's life. When we achieve our goals, then we feel more confident, inner satisfaction, and that eventually opens the door towards victory of a team. And you can also say that when a person feels internal satisfaction and feel happier than achieving their goals, then they will help to others for their team to boost their energy and growing to the next level. So these are my opinions and my thoughts regarding to this topic. Guys, you can also give the variation in your answer according to your thinking and thoughts. So you can also adapt this format in your real life to give the diplomatic answer. It will definitely help you from many critical situations. Thank you.